welcome back to my French YouTube channel. Aujourd'hui, on va réviser les adjectifs et les pronoms possessifs. So it's always good if you can go back to my previous video and revise this topic first and then come and do this question. You'll understand it in a better way. So on va commencer. First part, je révise dash leçon. So it's a topic wherein you need to put adjective and pronoun possessive. And how do we differentiate? Adjectives, we are only going to write with the nouns. Any type of adjectives we write with the nouns. And pronouns, we always write with the verb. So that's the overall concept. But if you go back and revise from my previous topic, you'll understand it really well. So let's start. Je révise dash leçon. So first time when you talk about a noun, we always write adjective. Je révise, je. So what was the line with je? Mon, ma, mes. Now the gender of this word leçon, c'est féminin. So je révise ma leçon. Leçon, I'm just marking a star because it's an exception. Je révise ma leçon. Révise tu dash. Are you revising dash? So first time I'm talking, it will be adjective. And next, are you revising yours? So in yours will be according to which subject pronoun? Tu. And which yours are we going to write? Le tien, la tienne, or the plural one, les tiens. We need to see the gender of the word leçon. So c'est féminin. Révise tu, la tienne. So, je révise ma leçon, révise tu la tienne. Next part. L'enfant écrit dans dash cahier. The child is writing in dans son cahier, pas dans dash. He's writing in his notebook, not in yours. Pas dans la tien. So, cahier c'est masculine. That's why we've written the masculine version. The next one. Il parle de dash ami. This sentence is très important. You need to always remember one thing while attempting the question. Can you notice this? We're using the same verb. Okay, révise. Okay, écrit here we have not used, but we're talking about the same verb only. Parle. So it's the same verb. Whenever it's the same verb, just check after the verb preposition is given or not. Because majority of the time with the first verb, preposition will be given for the first time and next time they will not give it. See, parle tu dash. It's not given here. So you need to contract it yourself. It will not be given. Okay? Il parle de dash ami, speaking about his friends. Parle tu. Now again you need to see this. Friends, c'est masculin pluriel. So they, tiens. How I've done this they? De plus for pluriel c'est les. So it becomes they. They tiens. Parle tu, they tiens. So this you have to do it yourself. Contractions will be there when preposition a or de will be there. Ça va? The next one, je donne dash adresse. Adresse c'est féminin. Je donne mon adresse. I'm giving my address to Pauline. Give her yours. Don Louis la tienne. I'm giving my, you give yours. Next part, elle a rangé dash robe. Elle a rangé ses robes. As-tu rangé? She's arranging her dresses. As-tu rangé les tiennes? The feminine one because robe c'est féminin, pluriel. Je parle à dash ami. What do you think? What will be the answer? Je parle dash ami. C'est féminin. Je parle à mon ami. You need to remember this. The word starting with a vowel for a singular word. We always write the masculine one even if the word is feminine. So this is something that you need to remember in adjective possessive. But there when you will write, you will be writing the feminine version. Je parle à mon ami. Now, which is the preposition given after parle? Sometimes D will be given, sometimes A will be given. So you need to check and write the same one. I'm speaking to my friend. Are you speaking to yours. À la tienne. Ça va? On va continuer. Dash ordinateur est moderne. Mon ordinateur, my computer is modern. Comment est dash? Comment est le tien? Next one. Elle fait dash tâche. Tâche, c'est féminin. Elle fait sa tâche. Il ne fait pas dash. She's doing her work. He's not doing his. So, il ne fait pas la sienne. Because we're writing according to tâche, c'est féminin. La sienne. Next part. Nous allons avec dash parents. Nos parents. Ils vont avec. They are going with theirs. Les leurs because parents c'est pluriel. Last part. Dash villa. You need to remember all the exceptions. Make a list of the exceptions. Very, very important in questions like these. You should know the gender of the noun. Okay? Because if the gender of the noun is not correct, the sentence will be wrong. So, villa, c'est féminin. You can either write ma villa or probably you can also write sa. Okay? So, sa villa est magnifique. It's magnificent. Como est la tienne. So, his is good. Magnificent. How is yours? So, j'espère que vous avez compris. I hope that you've understood. Don't forget to subscribe to my French YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir.